In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Tradovate DOM. If you're new to the depth of market or DOM, it's a price ladder that lets you see bids and asks and place orders with a single click. I'll walk you through how the columns are laid out, how to place and manage orders, how to exit quickly, and how to configure the panel so it matches your trading style. First, the layout. The left column, typically shaded blue or gray, is the bid side. That's where buyers are lined up. The right column, usually red or gray, is the ask side, where sellers are. Prices run vertically in the middle, and the current traded price will sit near the center. Think of the left as your buy lane and the right as your sell lane. To place a limit order, use a simple left click. For a buy limit, you left click on the bid side at a price below the current market, so you're bidding to be filled if price comes down.
Order filled.
For a sell limit, left click on the ask side at a price above the current market, so you're offering to sell if price trades up. You'll see your working order appear on the ladder at the exact price you clicked. For stop orders, right-click in the bid or
Order
ask
rejected.
column at the price level you want. A buy stop is typically placed above the current price to trigger into strength, while a sell stop is placed below the current price to trigger into weakness. The right-click action makes it easy to differentiate stops from limits while keeping everything on the same ladder. If you want immediate execution,
Order
use the
filled.
market buttons at the top. Click Buy to enter at the best available ask, or Sell to hit the
Order
best
filled.
available bid. A market orders prioritize speed over price, so be aware of potential slippage in fast conditions. Managing orders is straightforward. Click and drag a working order up or down the ladder to modify its price. When you release,
Order
the platform
filled.
will update the order at the new level. This is fast and precise, and if you have confirmations enabled, you'll see a prompt before the change is sent. When you need out now, use the X button in the center labeled Exit at Market. This instantly closes any open position and cancels all working orders on that symbol. It's your emergency brake, so use it when you want to flatten everything without hesitation. Finally, click the gear icon to configure the DOM. Here you can tailor button behavior, choose your preferred stop types, and toggle order confirmations on or off. If you're new, I keep confirmations enabled until you're comfortable with one-click trading.